Juan Cordero was born May 16, 1822, Teziutlan, died May 29, 1884, Coyoacan. He was a Mexican painter and muralist in the classical style, who began his career in Rome and Florence, Italy. Cordero's painting Columbus in the court of the Catholic Monarchs was exhibited in the Academia de San Carlos in 1851. The painting depicts an imagined historical event when Columbus returned from exploring the Americas and met with the King and Queen of Spain, Fernando, and Isabella. It shows Columbus presenting Native Americans and natural specimens from the Americas to the monarchs. The painting brings together the Old World and the New World in order to reinforce the historical and cultural connection between Mexico and Europe. Cordero first painted this as an appeal to President Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna so that he could be the director of the Academia de San Carlos. Even though Cordero did not ultimately get the role of Academy director, the painting initiated a change in the art world, as more Mexican artists began to paint secular and national events that would later be seen as a form of a historical document. The Academy exhibition itself sparked one of the first public debates over secular history paintings, due in part to the propaganda of the post-colonial government. The painting was significant because of the usage of the style in historical paintings. As such, this allowed Cordero to use it as a vehicle that perpetuates the post-colonial legislation of racism and classism in Mexico during the late 18th and early 19th centuries. Cordero's painting would later be seen as an aid to the construction of Mexico's national identity. While many historical paintings were praised for the innovation that led to civil discourse, it also allowed the bourgeois elites and the monarchs to promote a social hierarchy within Mexico with the express goal of wanting to assimilate the indigenous population into the political structure.